Hello students, once again welcome to English Grammar Classroom. Today my topic of discussion is transformation of sentences. This is a very important topic in English grammar. This topic starts right from class 6 and continues up to class 12. To transform a sentence is to change it from one grammatical form to another without altering its sense. I am giving few examples which will show how it is possible to change the form of sentences without changing its meaning. It is very important to learn conversion or transformation because in grammar portion you are going to get transformation of sentences. Come on, let's start. My first example is he is too honest to accept a bribe. Remove to. Now you have to remove this word to. Now whenever you will remove to, in place of to you have to use so, and in place of to you have to use that. After that subject, and after that if the sentence is in present tense you have to use cannot, and if the sentence is in past tense you have to use could not. Now look at this sentence. He is too honest to accept a bribe. Now is indicates that the sentence is in present tense. So you have to change it in such a way. He is so honest that he cannot accept a bribe. Next sentence. He was too proud to accept his guilt. Now even this you have to do the same thing. Remove to. Again in place of to you have to use so. In place of to you have to use that. After that subject, and was indicates that the second sentence is in past tense. Therefore, you cannot use cannot. Instead, you have to use could not. Look how I have changed. He was so proud that he could not accept his guilt. Next sentence. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Now, over here, you have to add to. Now, when you have to add to, in place of so, you have to use TOO, and in place of that, he cannot. You have to omit these few words that he cannot. That is, these four words you have to omit, and you have to use to in place of it. Okay? He's too proud to work. Clear? Now, next question, not question, next sentence is Solomon is not wiser than he is. That means both are same type of wise. Solomon is not wiser. Now, whenever you have to start with he, okay, that means you have to change it in positive form. Okay, he is as wise as Solomon. Okay, both are same type of wise. Okay, now let's continue. My fifth sentence is very few cities in India are as big as Mumbai. You have to use biggest. It means that few cities are as big as Mumbai. Mumbai is not the biggest city. Okay. So, how to write? Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in India. Okay. Before est, you have to use the word the. Okay. It's superlative form. Next is Kalidas is the greatest of Indian poets. It means that Kalidas is the greatest. Okay. You have to write it in positive form. No other poet is as great as Kalidas. Greatest become great in positive form, and before this great, that's adjective great, you have to write as, and even after this adjective great, you have to write as. It is in positive form. No other poet is as great as Kalidas. Next question is not question, it's sentence. What piece of work is man? Okay, it is exclamatory sentence. You have to change it in assertive form. Man is a wonderful piece of work. Next sentence is we are not going to submit like this. Okay, it is negative sentence. You have to change, begin with A, not A, begin with R. That means you have to write it in interrogative. When the sentence is negative, while changing it into interrogative, you have to omit this not. Okay, negative becomes positive. Okay, are we going to submit like this? Okay, this is the exact answer. Let's continue. My next sentence is he got ready and went to the conference room. You have to start with getting. Okay, getting ready, comma, the subject you have to put in the later part of the sentence, and thus a meaningful sentence will be made. Getting ready, comma, he went to the conference room. Next is health is better than wealth. You have to use preferable. Whenever the word preferable is used, you have to put to. With preferable, the word to is used. Therefore, the sentence is made in this way. Health is preferable to wealth. Next sentence, I will go to see a film if you allow me. You have to start with unless. Okay? Unless you allow me, comma, I will not go to see a film. Next is only he can give this answer. Okay, only he can give the answer. It's positive sentence. You have to start with none. That means you have to make negative sentence. Whenever there's word only, you have to start with none. You have to write but after that, or you can also write except. None but he can give the answer, or you can also write it in this way: none except he can give the answer. Next sentence, we have helped them with money as well as food. You have to begin with not only. After not only, you have to use the helping verb. In the sentence, what is the helping verb? Have is the helping verb. Okay. So after not only, you have to put have. Then you have to put the subject. Not only have we helped them with money. And with not only, always but also is used. So you have to write but also food. Okay. Look at the sentence once again. Not only have we helped them with money but also food. Okay. Many students forget to write this helping verb have. Okay. So you should not forget that after not only, the helping verb is used. Okay. Not only have we helped them with money but also food. And if you write not only we help them with money but also food, it's wrong. Not only have we helped them with money but also food. Next sentence is do not disturb the class. You have to start with let. Let not the class be disturbed. It's a passive voice. Clear? Next sentence is shall I ever forget those happy days? You have to begin with I shall. Okay. So what will become? I shall never forget those happy days. Okay. Shall I have forget these happy days? And the question mark is not typed. Okay. It's just typing mistake, just ignored. It's interrogative sentence. Okay. Shall I ever forget those happy days? Question mark is not typed. Okay. It is interrogative sentence. You have to make it assertive sentence. Okay. As it is positive, you have to make it negative sentence. I shall never forget those happy days. Positive becomes negative. Negative becomes positive. Clear? Up to this much. In my next video, I will bring something new. Until then, goodbye.